Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Let's take this and turn it into a mushroom Alfredo and chicken pasta. Come on.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, let's get this sauce started. We're gonna take 1 stick of butter. That's right, I said 1 stick. I'm making a lot of sauce, but you could just make enough for one. I'll put that in the description. 1 stick of butter makes everything better. I'm gonna stir this around, get it melting. Oh yes. Now, we're gonna take 2 large onions, put them in the pot. They've been roughly chopped, and we're going to caramelize them. Let's mix this butter and these onions around and get them really going. This brings out the sweetness in them too, by the way. All right. Now that our onions have sweated out a bit, oh, and they smell wonderful. Add our minced garlic, 3 cloves at least. We're gonna cook this and simmer it till we caramelize the onions and slowly cook all the garlic on a low temperature for about 20 minutes. I know, but this gives you a chance to relax. I'm gonna speed this up. There, that's better. Now, you see how the onions have turned like a golden color? All right, now we're gonna take, because of how much I'm using, 1/3 cup flour. We're gonna stir it around and incorporate it and cook out that flour taste. This is the base of our sauce to keep it nice and thick. I'm gonna take my salt-free seasoning, throw it in. That's about 1.5 teaspoons. Take my basil, 1.5 teaspoons. Oh Lord. We put that in, we're gonna cook this out. We're gonna put in some black pepper to taste and 2 cups of milk. We're gonna stir it in slowly. Okay, not too much milk because we're going to add the rest of the cream. At this point, I'm putting in my cream of mushroom soup. All in there. Of cream of mushroom soup. I'm feeding the whole family tonight. If you make this much, you can always freeze this. Then I'm adding 1 can cream of chicken. I know you're thinking Uncle Chris is turning soup into sauce. Yes, I am. Just want to make sure I get it all out of there. Now, I'm going to add in 2 packets of salt-free chicken bouillon. I gotta hurry up because this stuff's starting to boil. I put in 2 packs of chicken bouillon. Let's combine everything. It's going to be real thick right now. Don't worry about that. A nice tablespoon of garlic. And the rest, either heavy cream or half and half. I'd say another 2 to 3 cups. Or you can measure it using the cans. Put a cup of cream for every can. Okay? We're going to stir this around. I'm going to add a little bit more. Look at that. Now, I'm going to add at least 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. And stir it on around. I'm going to let this simmer, not boil, for at least 10 to 15 minutes. While that's doing that, let's cook our chicken and noodles. I've got some water boiling over here for our pasta. And I'm putting some garlic, 3 cloves to be exact, in this oil. I'm going to bring it to temperature. I didn't get this real hot because I don't want to burn the garlic. I want it to come up to temperature slowly. Okay. Fettuccine. I should have broke it. I got 3 chicken breasts sliced. I'm taking my salt-free seasoning. I'm going to season to taste. I'm going to put some black pepper to taste, about a teaspoon. Or in my case, enough till they say, stop it. Midway through cooking our chicken, I'm going to add a little more garlic right over top. You could add some Cajun seasoning to your chicken, which I'm going to do. You don't have to. I just want to kick it up a little bit. And a little red pepper to give it a little kick. You don't have to do that, okay? I did a teaspoon of red pepper and a teaspoon and a half at least of Cajun seasoning. But you don't have to do that. Just some garlic, pepper, and salt-free seasoning, and you're good. If you use salt, use a little, okay? Very little. Now I'm going to cook this until it's done. And I want you to sit back and enjoy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's how we want it. You can cut it with the spatula. Yeah, I just want to make sure all the pieces are done. And then I'm going to plate up the dish. I've also got a vegetable cooking back here. And we should be good to go. Be right back with the finished product. Everything is done. Let's plate the dish. Mm-hmm. One more piece. Veggies on the side. Oh, this looks so good. Let me get a fork. Of course, I'm going to garnish mine with a little more Parmesan on top. I never got the trick to the twirl the fork thing. It's hot. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Try this recipe. You won't be disappointed, and you don't have to run out to the restaurant. You know, the one that's, got the garden and the olives in it. Save you some money. Eat Italian at home. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe right there. Have you not subscribed? Subscribe. Got a food pantry video coming for you. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Oh, write to me, Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef@gmail.com. All right. I'm catching up and answering y'all. Okay. Bye-bye.